Welcome to our gardening adventure. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of daffodils. We're going to show you step by step how to plant daffodil bulbs so you can enjoy these cheerful blooms in your own garden come springtime. Hey there, fellow gardeners. I'm thrilled to guide you through this fun and rewarding process. Daffodils are like little bursts of sunshine, and they're super easy to grow. Let's get started. The first step in planting daffodils is selecting the right bulbs. You can find them at your local garden center or them online. Look for firm bulbs with no signs of mold or damage. Aim for bulbs that are plump and feel heavy for their size. These are signs of healthy bulbs ready to burst into beautiful flowers. Next up, find the perfect spot for your daffodils. They love sunlight but can tolerate some shade. Choose a location with well-draining soil to prevent waterlogging. Daffodils look amazing along pathways, under trees, or in flower beds. Just make sure the soil isn't too soggy. It's all about that Goldilocks zone for these beauties. Now, let's talk soil prep. Daffodils aren't picky, but they do appreciate good soil. Loosen up the dirt with a garden fork or spade. Mix in some compost or organic matter to give your bulbs a nutrient boost. This helps them thrive and produce those lovely blooms. Here comes the exciting part, planting your daffodil bulbs. Grab a trowel and let's get digging. Dig a hole about 3 times deeper than the height of your bulb. Place the bulb pointy side up and cover it with soil. Leave some space between bulbs for them to spread out as they grow. Once your bulbs are snug in the soil, give them a good drink of water. This helps settle the soil and kickstarts their growth. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Daffodils are pretty low maintenance, so you can sit back and let nature do its thing. Now the waiting game begins. In a few months, your daffodils will reward you with a burst of color that signals the arrival of spring. Once they start flowering, you can cut a few stems to bring indoors and brighten up your home. Daffodils also make fantastic gifts. Everyone loves receiving a bouquet of these cheerful blooms. And there you have it, planting daffodil bulbs made easy. I hope you feel inspired to add these beauties to your garden. Until next time, happy gardening